this is what you need. This is what you need, a booster battery pack, okay? My car battery died this morning, okay? Or I don't know, for whatever reason, the car wouldn't start. So I had this battery booster, which will charge the car battery by itself without having to jump it to another car. So this is independence right here, okay? The second time in 4 years owning a car, I needed to jump start my car. But this thing has saved me twice. It's about $200. Now, I have roadside assistance, and yes, you could spend, $10, $20 and get jumper cables, but you would be dependent on someone else to jumpstart your car. And I don't like to wait around for other people. I don't like to call AAA. I don't like to ask someone, can I jump off your car? I rather spent the $200, which I'm glad I did. I was glad this morning to be able to be independent, to start my car myself. Because this is basically, this has to be charged once in a while. This basically is a self-generating power pack that will jumpstart your car rather than getting the power from another car with jumper cables. So it's a higher end one. I did a video on it when I first got it. The first time I needed to jumpstart my car was my own fault because I left my lights I was charging my cell phone and my laptop. I was charging it off my car battery and I left it too long. This time I woke up this morning and I don't know, for whatever reason, I needed to jumpstart my car. So hopefully, like the first time, it just needed to jump. I've had my car for 4 years. I've changed my battery once. So I have a battery that's only 1 year old. So it shouldn't be a new battery. I proactively change my car battery every 3 to 4 years just to be proactive. Car batteries can last 5 to 7 years. But again, it's a little bit more money to have that battery pack, but it's independence. I don't want to wait an hour for roadside assistance. I don't want to ask someone else, can I use your car to jumpstart mine? Especially like 5:30 in the morning, I need to do that. So I hooked this thing up, and just like that, my car started. So if you're going to live full-time on the road in your car, van, or RV, I say this is a must. And I live in a Jeep Renegade, and I don't have extra room to put extra stuff. I mean, you see the size of this, right? It's not that big. It's not that small, but it's not that big. I put it right in my front passenger seat on the floor. So sometimes people ask me, what do I need to live out of your car? And I always tell you, not much. 1 bag of clothes, your cell phone, carbon monoxide detector, and a car battery booster. That's what you need. $200 or so. Okay, get it at an auto parts store. I don't know if Walmart carries this good a one. But you don't, look guys, I like my independence. I don't like to wait on other people. I don't like to be broken down on the side of the road. I don't know anyone that does. So in my 3 years living on the road, I've used that twice. So for me, it's paid for itself. Now, anytime you call roadside assistance, that'd probably be $100 or so. Again, I have it through my car insurance, so it wouldn't have cost me nothing, but it would have cost me time. And again, I don't like to deal with other people if I don't have to. So I'm very grateful and I'm very thankful that because I'm cheap. But there's certain things I spend my money on, and I spent my money on my independence. And this car battery pack is a must, guys. Get yourself a booster pack, okay? So you don't have to ask your neighbor, your friend, your family member, or Joe's Auto Repair Shop. You just start your car. Now, again, could you have a mechanical issue with your starter, your fuel injector? Yeah, I mean, God forbid. So that's not going to save you every time. That's specifically related to if your battery just needs a jump. But, hey, twice in 4 years, that thing has saved me. So I'm thankful. I want to share that with you. It's one of those items that if you purchase it, you may not ever use it. And then you're going to be mad at me. But, guys, I have things sometimes for peace of mind. And if you do use it once and you don't have to ask someone else for help, you're gonna love me. You're going to come on here. You're going to join my channel memberships because you're going to say, Inspirational Nomad, you taught me so much. And I'm going to say, thank you. I appreciate that. But guys, just another video to give you a real life practical insight of full-time living in your car, full-time living on the road. For me, the nomad life is all about independence. because I like to be kind of like doing my own thing, moving when I want to move. And when your car won't start, especially in the morning, it could be a scary feeling. It was scary this morning. I hit that button to start my car and it wouldn't start. Scary. So it was a peace of mind knowing that I had that booster battery pack and was able to jumpstart my car just like that. Very grateful. So hopefully this video helped, guys. Click the thumbs up. Join the channel if you like. See you guys in the next video. Check out my Nomad playlist, okay? You say, Sam, I got nothing to do all day. I love your channel. Well, then go to my channel, my YouTube channel. Go to the playlist. Go to Nomad Simple Living. Scroll down. You don't have to start from the top. Scroll down. There's thousands of videos there documenting my 3 years full-time on the road. You'll get very inspired. Okay. Now, if you decide to live in your car and it doesn't work out, don't blame me. Why? Guys, this is purely for entertainment. Don't blame me. All right. God bless.